it's Darby from rejoiceandcreate.com. Thanks for stopping by today. Well, today's project is this very quick and cute little stocking. Now you can fit a gift card in there as well if you're making last minute gift card holders, or you can put a treat in it and hang it on the tree or give it to a friend or coworker. And it goes very quickly. What you need for this project is a 6x6 inch piece of paper, and I'm using the paper from the Matte Stack Very Merry by Die Cuts with a View, and I'm afraid I can't remember where I got this one from, but it is PS 013-00005, so if you're looking for that one, this is what it is. And you just need 2 circles, and these circles I punched at 2 1/4 inch. Now you could probably use 2.5 inches or anywhere around there, and you certainly could use die cuts as well, but just punch 2 or die cut 2 circles from a coordinating or contrasting piece of paper. On this one, I actually just used the back piece of paper for my circle because this is what it was when I turned it over to make the cuff of the stocking. On this one, because the back of the paper is black, I went ahead and used some black paper for the toe and for the heel. Alright, now if you have something that's upright, however, I'm going to actually turn it upside down like this, so when I turn it over, the print will be right side up on the cuff. Just experiment with what you have. Now you don't really even need a scoring board for this. You just fold it in half vertically, and I'm putting the plaid on the outside. So fold it in half vertically, or you can score it at 3 inches. And then open that back up and fold the cuff over to the outside about 1 inch. Or you can just put it on the scoreboard and score it at 1 inch. Okay, so go ahead and fold that and make sure I match that one up pretty well. Alright, so once you fold that over, go ahead and burnish that down well. Okay, so the open side of it will be your heel side, and what we're going to do is that same size circle that we punched or die cut, we're going to cut a curve on that back corner. So I'm going to use my 2 1/4 inch circle punch, and I'm just going to tuck that back corner, and you can do them one at a time if you wish to. I'm going to do mine both at once. Just cut it right into that cutting surface, and make sure that the sides on the side of the stocking and the bottom of the stocking around that corner touch against that curve on the punch, and punch, and it gives you a nice circle or a nice rounded punch. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to seal the sides and the bottom of our stocking. I'm going to use some glue just around the side, on the heel, and just the bottom to the fold line. And we'll go ahead and fold that over and let that stick. Okay, so while that's gluing, let me put something on top of it. While that's sticking, what I'm going to do is hold these 2 circles together, and I'm going to cut 1/3 of the circle off, and that's going to be my heel. So about 1/3 is cut off from both of the circles. I'll put those aside for a second. Alright, that should be stuck by now. And what I'm going to do is just going to glue this where both of the corners of the circle, what I have, the semicircle, are going to match up with the bottom and the side, but it's going to give me the idea that I have a heel on my stocking. So let me go ahead and glue that in place. Alright, so now just flip it over and match that other semicircle up with that one. Alright, so now we're going to do the toe, and we're doing the same thing with the toe. Now, if you like a bigger toe, you can use what's left to make it look like a bigger toe. I'm going to just cut a little bit off, probably about 1/4 of an inch, because I like it about half of the circle. I think looks nice. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the toe. I'm going to line it up. I'll pull it down a little bit farther than the heel, and I'm going to match up that corner and that corner with the sides and the front of my stocking. And then flip it over and do the same thing on the back. All right. I'm going to use a cut apart from my same paper pack, and I like this wreath that says warm wishes in there. I'm going to cut that one out. And then it says to and from because it actually is a tag. So I'm just going to cut that off and angle it like a tag. And punch a hole in it. And I'm going to put that tag right on the back of my stocking. All right, so let me punch a hole in the back of my stocking, right up at the corner there. And I'm going to thread my twine through. You can use ribbon if you want. And just tie a knot on the top after I put the tag on, because I forgot to do that last time. All right, now I'm going to tie a knot right on the top of my twine. All right, to decorate it, I'm just going to put this up on some dimensionals. And put it on the front of my stocking. Okay, I'm just going to use a gel pen to decorate it a little bit. I think that turns out very cute, and it has a little pocket for a gift card or a little candy bar or even a note that you want to give to them. And I have a to from tag on the back, and that's my little stocking. And here I did another one from the same paper pack. So I hope you enjoyed this project and give it a try. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to be notified of new videos as I upload them. For more information on this video or others I've done, please go to rejoiceandcreate.com. And as always, until we meet again, I hope your days are blessed. Bye!